Hello there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. So basically, welcome to today's session. Kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such content. In today's lesson, we are still looking at matrices, and we have looked at how to add matrices. We have looked at a scalar matrix. Now we are going to look at how to multiplying of a matrix by another matrix. So in order for us to solve these kinds of questions, first kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such content. Okay, so basically you can multiply matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix is the same as the number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, so you can multiply, for instance, a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, because this is what we'll be looking at for you who are in grade 9. Okay, we'll only focus on a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we have an example here. Okay, so whenever we're dealing with matrices, okay, of this nature, we are given these two matrices where we have 5, 7, 6, and 2, and 4, 0, 2, and 3. So in this particular case, okay, we're going to multiply the first row by the first column. Okay, first row by the first column. So in this particular case, we have 5 multiplied by 4 plus 7 multiplied by 0. Okay, we get this 20. So this will apply to the second one as well, which is 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3, we get 51. Okay, then when we come to the bottom, we have 6 plus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 0. Okay, which gives us 24. Then 6 multiplied by 2. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 3, we get 18. Okay, so now here is our general formula. So in general, if A is equals to A, B, C, and D, and B is equals to W, Y, X, Z, the product we're going to have A. So we're going to have we multiply A multiplied by W plus C multiplied by X as our first row, first column. Then A multiplied by Y, okay, plus C multiplied by Z. So we deal with our first row, our second column. Then we're done. We go to the bottom side. So second row, we do the same procedure as illustrated above. So this is how we multiply matrices by another matrix. Okay. Now we look at an example here. If A is equals to 1, negative 2, 3, and 5, and b is equals to 2, 3, negative 1, and 6. Find the products of AB. So in this particular case, what are we going to do? So we have our expression. We write our expression AB is equals to this as illustrated in our question. So now we're going to work out what we have been given. So we're going to multiply 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, our first row by our first column, then our first row by our second column. Then we'll do the same. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus negative 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, then 1 multiplied by 3. So this one multiplied by 3. Then negative 2 multiplied by 6. So we're done with the upper part. So we go to the second row first and the first column. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 3. Sorry, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by negative 1. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 3, which is this one, 3 multiplied by 3, and plus 5 multiplied by 6. Okay, so we now work out what we have. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 1, this is going to be positive 2. So we know that negative times negative, it's positive. So we're going to have 2. Okay. Then 1 multiplied by 3, we get 3. Okay. Then negative 2 multiplied by 6, we get negative 12. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. Okay. Then 5 multiplied by negative 1, we get negative 5. Okay. Then 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9. Then 5 multiplied by 6, we get 30. So therefore, our final answer when we multiply 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then 3 plus, so this negative, it becomes negative times positive, it becomes positive. So we're going to have negative 9. Then 6 negative times positive, it becomes negative. So we're going to have 1 as 6 minus 1, which is 6 minus 5, which is just 1. Then 9 plus 30 is just 39. So basically, this is our answer. Okay. So this is how we go about solving such kinds of questions. So if you have got any question, kindly let me know in the class or inbox me. I'll be able to assist you. Okay. So our exercise for today is if A is equals to these elements and B is equals to these elements, find the following. So we find AB and then BA. Okay. Then the order of AB, then the order of BA. So basically, this is our exercise for today. Thank you very much. This has been your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. Kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such content. Thank you.